They are trying to rebuild a kind of hegemonic system that portray the one that they had, that we all had during the Cold War. Nevertheless, the question is that the world is a completely different world. Nations are not going to respond. Governments are not going to respond on the Cold War pattern. So most countries in Latin America, for instance, don't respond to the US call for alignment as they did during the Cold War. And just in the Latin American region, we have a diversity of political models that are presented as democratic, but they are very different. Then, this is the same thing in Asia, this is the same thing in the rest of the world. The crisis in American democracy is longer than Biden or the previous administration. Is the lack of credibility of political systems, because of the Trump administration was a contradiction, a fundamental negative position vis-a-vis any idea about democracy. And finally, between Trump and Biden, we had this real attack against Capitol Hill by conservative forces. So the political stability of the United States today is not a paradigm, it's not a model.